Hi, honey.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good.
Having a great time?
Yeah.
We are having some fun here with our arts and crafts. I'm making something new here. Something new here. Yeah, when did we decide to do some arts and crafts?
I don't know.
Just for the heck of it. Show them what you're working on. It's supposed to say keys. It's pretty cool, huh? Yeah, we just decided to do a little arts and crafts just to release the stress that's happening today, but that's okay. You won't see the dogs much today because they made a mess with the paint, but that's okay. We're having some fun. This is a project that you need to do without animals anyways, because they don't know. I can understand that they don't know because they don't know. They're dogs, but hey. So, you won't see the dogs in this video, but hey. More videos are epic. More videos are way to come. Am I right, Vanessa?
Yep.
Show them what we did to your hair. Hold on. Look at her hair. See, look at what I did to her hair. Head down. Look at that. It's like gold. Turn your head to the other side. Isn't that cool? I don't want her to go purple. I mean, that is like so freaking cute. How many of you think that she looks cute that way? You say that once more? Smile. Not a grin smile, silly.
I don't think this colors me.
That is definitely you. Oh, now you can see it better. Show them. Of course, she's taking her time because she's busy. Okay, how about if I do it this way? There, now we got something to put our keys on. Love you.
Love you.
Doesn't she look cute the way her hair is? I love it. Love you, princess.
Love you too.
So as of right now, we are just going to, together, just keep on painting. Get these looking right. You'll see the aftermath of what I'm doing. You'll see the aftermath of what she's doing. I'll take 3 pictures. Oh, that's it. Come on, you can do better. Oh, you want some more, huh? Here, this is ice cold. It's really ice cold. Come on, you could do better for the camera. Do you see how ice cold it is? We're having a burping contest and she's winning me because I don't need a burp no more.
Excuse me, by the way.
Oh, that's it? Just excuse me? Just don't belch or don't whatever. Don't belch to the point you're going to spit. I think I got it that time. Excuse me.
Dang!
Your turn.
I can't do it yet.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, you almost did it. I win. Did I win? Yeah, mine was louder or longer. See, off camera you can like belch me across the whole entire universe. But on camera she can't belch worth the
I can't do it.
I know, right? See, even that it was weak, but it was louder than yours. Love you.
Love you.
What did you eat for dinner?
Straight tacos.
And you had this one first?
That one first and then that one.
This is what she had with her street taco first. From Taco Bell. And then her last two. Spicy jalapeno hot sauce. It had a kick to it, huh?
Yeah.
Me, on the other hand. Okay.
Excuse me.
I had the scorching jalapeno hot sauce. And as you can tell, I had a lot more than her. I couldn't breathe after a few minutes of me doing that. It was like, wow. You want to prove that you can burp. I already know you can burp.
I'm done.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Love you.
Love you.
She definitely could prove that she could burp. Anyways. I moved the beds upstairs, but that's about it. See? Now it's just my trucking mess. But yeah. Not too bad. That's a small place, but love you.
Love you.
What the heck? I think you caught that. Anyways, having fun?
Yeah, I'm too stuffed now.
You're what?
I'm too stuffed.
How stuffed are you?
I can't eat no more.
You only had 2. 3.
3.
See, I can't even count. Come on. Give me a break. High five. Dang. Come on, Wonder Woman.
Give me low. To the side.
Any more? No, it's high five. To the side. Down low. Oh, I did it wrong. High five.
I knew.
To the side. Down low. Too slow. I think I got it. Anyways, I hope you like this video. It's not long. We did a little bit of arts and crafts. And hopefully I can get those paintings done. And post some pictures of it at the very end. So if you do see a 3 pictures at the end of this, that means we got it done. Hoping, because I would like to actually get them done. Might be 2. It just depends if she can fix one of them. But anyways, if you guys like this video, like, subscribe, push the bell notification, let you know when I upload another video. And guess what?
Peace out.